have it level.
And if your car still has this cover, it has to come off.
10 millimeter. There's like 4 of those. Looks like one's missing here. There would have been one over here as well. Next one's way over here. And then there's another one way.
And there's a transmission drain plug.
We're using a 3/8" square drive. I'm going to go pull the dipstick. That should make it come out better, faster. Okay, we'll let this drain. This should be about 3 quarts.
I think the recommended change interval is about 30,000 miles on a CVT. I believe this has been in considerably longer. Yeah, this magnet has collected probably a pretty normal amount of sludge, so we'll wipe that off before inserting it back in. And you can also replace the thrust washer at this time if you feel like it needs it. I'm going to leave this one in for now.
Okay, I have an empty oil container here. It holds 5 quarts. We're going to measure what was removed.
In the manual it says 3 quarts will come out, but I'm going to double check this. I did check it ahead of time to see if the level was correct, and it was.
And we have just under 4 quarts.
I wouldn't use anything but Honda CVT fluid for this. You'll need a long reach funnel for this. You can see the fluid is considerably lighter than what was removed.
Number 3. Okay, that's 4. And you're going to want to check the level after you run it and get it hot. There's a special procedure for that. Okay, so we're going to bring the temperature up to normal operating temps and check the level.
The manual says wait 60 seconds, but not more than 90 before checking.
Okay, that's 1 minute. Pull it and clean it. Reinsert and check. Now looking at the hot.
Okay, we should be about halfway into the cross hatching for the hot, but when we're a little below that, so we're going to add a little bit more. But hey, thanks for watching. Keep your transmission healthy, and please subscribe.